This is my first forge that I bought, and I've had it for quite a while. But she's still in good shape, pretty much. Still in really good shape. But what I got going on is, for some reason, my gas nozzle quit working properly. So, I bought a replacement. I'm getting ready to put it back together. I'm gonna fire this thing up today and see how it does. I actually like this better than I like the cloth stuff. So my other one has cloth, which I bought replacement cloths for that also. So I'm gonna take this thing apart right here and put the new one in there and see how she works. I'm gonna fire it up today. First thing I had to do was to pull that old one out. And it had definitely deteriorated, that whole end right there. Seems to be what happens to these things, is the end just melts off or eventually comes off. So I got a brand new one. Oops. I got a brand new one, but I'll be using this to go and buy a new one at the hardware store, so I don't have to buy the whole kit again. I wasn't sure what to do originally, and this one just quit working. Don't ask me why, but it quit working and I hated it, and I went out and bought a brand new one, the big one. Actually, I've been wanting a big one for a while, so I actually went out and bought one. And then after I did that, I found out, you know what, you can probably buy replacement parts for these things. So I went on to Amazon and typed in replacement parts for my forge, and it came up. So I got my new one, and here we are. And today I'm going to put it to work, pouring some copper shot. See how she works. My other one I also bought replacement parts for, because this end right here seems to go bad after you melt in it a few times. So I just went and bought a brand new one, and I think that this part here was a problem in my last one, so I bought a completely new one. This is a different type, even a little bit different type. Hopefully this one will last longer, or at least now I know where to get my parts. So here we go. I'll be back in a minute. I got 1 pound 11 ounces I'm gonna melt down and turn into copper shot. All right, let's get some tools. Let's see, I think I'll use this one. All right, she's loaded. We got some melt going on. I'm going to be pouring the copper shot into this barrel of water, in which I will be adding more water as I go. Very hot and melting, very clean. yeah. Look at the goodness. What? Nice. Beautiful pour. That was beautiful. Now we'll dip it all out. See what we got. How much copper shot? Came out pretty nice. Alright, tip the barrel, get it all to one side. Oops. I don't want to pour any out. Oh yeah. Wow. Look at that. Huh? Look at that. Nice. All right, let's see how much we got here. Wow. Beautiful. Beautiful. Look at that. Pretty stuff. Oh, my goodness. Man, that came out nice. That's good for selling. I'm gonna sell it as copper shot. Get it all to one side here. Look at that. Yeah, that's a good load. Look at that goodness. Wow. Wow, got a whole jar. Copper shot. That's beautiful stuff. Look at that goodness. Wow. Highly impressed. That'll sell good. So I'll be selling that. I'm not sure exactly how much that jar weighs. Be honest. What do we got here? We got 3 pounds, 5 ounces with the jar. I'm not sure what the jar weighs. This weighs exactly nothing. All right, look at that goodness right there. We got 2 pounds, 2 ounces copper shot. Man, that's pretty. I'm excited. I'll be giving that to my sister to sell on eBay. That will be interesting, to say the least. Wow. I love it. What's next? Wow, scrapping with Grandpa, what's next? All right, let's get a little more copper together. Let's do that again. I'm gonna pour a copper bar. This will be for saving though.